Hi everyone and welcome to Payne Glasses.
Firstly, let's tackle some uneven glasses frames. If somehow one of your lenses sits higher or closer than the other, run your glasses under warm water for at least 30 seconds. This will make the frame more pliable for gentle adjustments. You can then hold the frame with one hand and gently bend the opposite arm down with the other hand. If one lens sits closer to your face, bend that lens arm slightly inward and the opposite arm slightly outward. Do your glasses keep sliding down your nose or do they feel too tight behind your ears? Let's take a look and see how we could fix that as well. Run your glasses under warm water again for at least 30 seconds. For glasses that slides down, bend the arms slightly downward and inward where they curve behind your ears. For glasses that fits too tight, bend the arms slightly upward and outward. This will loosen the fit. Next, let's fix those nose pads. If your glasses sits too high or too low on your nose, hold your glasses with one hand and use the other to adjust the nose pads. Push them closer together to raise the glasses, or further apart to lower them. Finally, if your glasses feels wobbly, locate the screws near their arms and lenses. Use a small glasses screwdriver to tighten them gently in a clockwise direction. There you go, and that's all of it. Simple steps to adjust your glasses for a perfect fit at home.